Hello brothers and sister, good evening. I wanna share to you about the Matrix, because a lot of people knows me about the person who is the Matrix guy, but they don't really understand what I meant by the Matrix. For me, what I define the Matrix is the society, the culture, the deep city places, and that's what forms the society, the belief system of the people around that environment. And I think this is a very important topic because it is also a psychology to understand the beliefs of the person living in that place, and respecting the laws that were created on that boundary. Because I'm the kind of person who have traveled quite a bit already, and because of that I had experienced different kind of laws, different kind of beliefs in certain places. And as you know, I'm a Filipino, and there are certain characteristics, there are certain beliefs that are held to maintain this personality. And there are positive and negative to the personalities, and for me, let's start to dive in to the positive side, which I noticed in my country, in the personality of the surroundings. The positive thing is we are very, very hospitable. We try to really take care of people, strangers. We are kind in some way, shape or form, and we really try to help each other, and what else? Maybe we skip to the negative part. On what I notice is we are a bit closed-minded. We are a bit conservative, and I think that from this kind of being close-minded, we try to segregate, others if we think that they don't go inside the belief of what we are believing. And because I notice in other places, they are more open in a sense that understanding that we are unique, we have a different perspective, and I think that we need to be more open-minded for us to understand people around, and for us to be because I always talk about being international. When I say about international is to have the highest standards of living. As you can see, the first world countries, they're thriving, and still they're also very open to ideas, open to new belief, open to new laws, and they're thriving. That's what I meant by being international. So I think if we add more, if we focus more of being more open, I think that would really help as a community, you know, that this community is a bit close-minded. So yeah, just a short video. What I want to talk about is the matrix, how I define it, and the society and our beliefs that guides us, and the positive and negative on those beliefs that we have. Thank you, and bless and love.